Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your headphones OPPO Enco Buds 2. You have to start by remove your headphones from the charging case and then press and hold at the touch areas on your headphones for at least 15 seconds. After that, put your headphones to the charging case, close the case, then click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, forget device, if you have Android also click pair new device. After that, remove the headphones from the charging case and click on it on the device list. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!